A ranch fence should do more than just mark your land. It should bring you peace of mind. This is a near maintenance-free steel fence built to last decades. It offers the aesthetic look of wood or vinyl, but being steel is resistant to fading, warping, and shattering. Through severe heat and cold, you can expect this fence to stand strong for 50+ years. And most importantly, it's built with your horses in mind. Unlike wood, there are no sharp splinters. Unlike vinyl, it won't crack. And if a horse ever charges the fence, the rails release, protecting the animal from serious injury. Strength. Safety. A fence you don't have to worry about. Because when you invest in something permanent, you should only have to do it once. Follow the link in the description or pinned comment to learn more.